Grasping the nettle, facing challenges head-on. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, grasping the nettle. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and it offers a valuable lesson in dealing with difficult situations. Stay tuned as we explore its origins, meaning, and how you can use it in everyday English. Grasping the nettle is an idiomatic expression that means to tackle a difficult or unpleasant situation directly and with courage. The phrase originates from the stinging nettle, a plant that causes pain upon contact. Interestingly, if you grasp a nettle firmly, it is less likely to sting than if you touch it lightly. This metaphor beautifully illustrates the idea that facing a problem head-on can be less painful than avoiding it. The phrase, grasping the nettle, has been in the English language for centuries. It is believed to have originated from Aesop's fables or from ancient folk wisdom that suggests the best way to deal with a nettle is to grab it tightly. This approach minimizes the pain and discomfort one might experience. Over time, this practical advice transformed into a metaphor for addressing challenges directly. In English, grasping the nettle is used to encourage someone to face their fears or tackle a problem without delay. For example, I know you're nervous about giving the presentation, but you just have to grasp the nettle. The government finally grasped the nettle and dealt with the housing crisis. It can be used in various contexts, from personal development to professional and social issues, symbolizing the act of confronting rather than avoiding difficult situations. Why is grasping the nettle such an important concept? It teaches us a valuable lesson in resilience and bravery. By facing our fears and challenges head-on, we can often resolve them more efficiently and with less suffering in the long run. This phrase encourages us not to shy away from our problems but to confront them boldly and directly. We hope this exploration of grasping the nettle has been enlightening. This phrase is a powerful reminder that, though it may seem counterintuitive, directly confronting our challenges can be the best way to overcome them. Remember, the next time you face a difficult situation, consider grasping the nettle. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful insights into the English language. See you in the next video.